Hi there, I'm going to take you through making twice cooked chips on camp. I used to think twice cooked chips on a menu used to be something quite pretentious to add a little bit of extra money to your bill, but it is actually a thing. What you need to do is cook the potato first and then you brown it off in 2 stages, and that's what I'm going to take you through. First of all, spud duty. Gone for quite a decent sized chip, and this little runt one here is going to be used to test whether the oil's hot enough. So this is a Petromax FT3 Dutch oven. Just going to put some sunflower oil in. Now because you're cooking oil, you've got to be careful and stay with it, you don't want it catching light. So that's about half full. So I'll whack the lid on that, and then I'm just going to put the embers to about 1/4 to 1/3 round the side, because this first stage is just going to cook the actual potato, and then the second stage will be slightly hotter, and that's when we'll brown them, hence twice cooked. Right, I'm just going to pat the potatoes dry with some kitchen roll while I'm waiting. And you can see I've got the little runty chip in there, so that's now hot enough to put the other potato bits in. But the trick is, you can see that's cooking already actually, the trick is to only put a few in at a time, because what happens is if you dump them all in, then you cool the fat off and it won't cook them properly. So there we are, that's the first batch in there. Even though that's 1 potato there, I'm doing it in 2 lots as I said. So that's about 5 minutes worth of cooking, and then what you do, you pull them out, dab them again with kitchen roll, get the second lot done, and then we can really ramp that heat up and get them browned. Just see the chips that I've taken out on the left are just starting to get some nice little brown bits on them, and I've stabbed them with a knife and they're absolutely perfect. So I'll get the second lot done and then we can go for the finale. There we go, just going to ramp this heat right up. Might even just put a couple on the top actually, just for good measure. There we go. We'll always lower them in, never drop them, you'll get oil over you. Again, I'm doing these in 2 batches, and you can see already that's taking on a lovely colour. I'm going to do these for about 8 to 10 minutes I think, and the good thing is they're cooked already, so as soon as they're as brown as you want them, you can whip them out, so it's an easy win. There's the final before and after. I've even made my own little bushcraft cornet for them. And there we go, twice cooked chips with a lot of vinegar on and some salt and some Alexander and cracked black pepper.